Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix standby mode not activated on iPhone. If your iPhone does not go into standby mode when it should, there are several steps you can take to ensure that you are doing everything correctly. In this video I'll walk you in several effective solutions that can assist you in fixing standby mode on your iPhone. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Activating standby is extremely simple. Connect your iPhone to a charger and set it down on the side, as the widgets are designed to take advantage of this orientation, and keep the phone stationary and press the side button to activate standby. If standby mode won't activate on iPhone, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 17 or later. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. And the next step is ensure that standby is enabled. By default, standby mode is turned on iOS 17. If you accidentally turned it off, it won't work. To check if standby is enabled on your iPhone, go to settings, scroll down to standby, tap on it and switch the activation toggle to the on position. There are two other settings within this page for turning on night mode, which shifts the color tint from vibrant to red when the environment is darker, and notifications. With the latest settings, you can have critical notifications displayed in standby mode, and you can also tap on them to expand to preview, similar to the iPhone's lock screen behavior. And you are done. And the next step is make sure that orientation lock is disabled. If your iPhone screen is not rotating when you put it in landscape mode, the portrait orientation lock is probably active. For this, if your iPhone has a Face ID, swipe down from the top right hand corner of your screen to open the control center and then tap the portrait orientation lock button to make sure that it is off. If your iPhone has a home button, swipe up from the bottom edge of your screen to open the control center and then tap the portrait orientation lock button to make sure that it is off, and you are done. And the next step is make sure low power mode is turned off. Its standby mode turns itself off after a while and refuses to remain viewable on your iPhone's display, which needs to be off for standby mode to remain visible. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to battery, tap on it and then tap on low power mode toggle button to turn it off, and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. If standby is still not coming up, go ahead and restart your iPhone. To do that, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. Next, slide to power off and after some time, press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of standby mode not activating on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.